We're not your typical detail shop. When it comes to cleaning, correcting, and protecting your vehicle, we are the professionals. We are Chicago Auto Pros. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Chicago Auto Pros Detailing Vlog. Getting the day started, we're heading over to the clean room. Guys are wrapping the BMW 2002. They got most of the car wrapped. They still got the hood to do. Come on inside.
I have the 2002 outside, just sitting in the sun, letting it cure, trying to see if any water spots show up, all the edges stay down. If the sun doesn't let anything up, then we're good to go. I'm good to trim all the edges, start rolling the edges over, and you pretty much finish it all out.
Tesla Model 3 Performance Model, white on white. It's got the white dashboard, white leather seats, white paint. It looks good, it's classy. I don't know if it'd work out for me. I think I'd get those pretty dirty. But we're doing a full front end paint protection film. We're doing window tint, and then we're doing G-Technique Crystal Serum Ultra. The hot hatch VW GTI, super cool car. I was actually looking to get one of these cars a couple years ago. They're affordable, they're good looking, they're fun to drive. You can daily drive it, you can take it on the track. There's all kinds of modifications you can do. It's just a super versatile little car that any car enthusiast is gonna enjoy. It's in the prep bay right now, it's getting washed up, and then it's gonna go over to paint correction.
My name is Rufino, and this is my 2018 Volkswagen GTI S. Her name is Coco. My first true car that I purchased was a 1990 Volkswagen Jetta, and then I moved on to other cars, but then I had to go back to the original. Definitely want to get her protected, that's why I'm here. We're doing paint protection film for almost everything except for the doors and the quarter panel. She's fully protected because she sits out in the streets of Chicago most of the time.
Volkswagen's coming along great. It's all prepped. Edgar's correcting it. There were some deep scratches from a tree branch that fell on top of it. Luckily, Edgar was able to correct those with ease. Just finishing up the whole correction process before we send it over to the Expo guys.
Christian's on the other side of the door here. He is starting to take apart the SEMA project, the Ford Edge ST that we got going on, wrapping the entire thing in color change vinyl, including all the door jambs. Color change vinyl has become increasingly popular in the past few years. It's a great way to change the appearance of your vehicle for a fraction of what it would cost to repaint the entire vehicle. And when it comes to vinyl, you just have a ton of options. You can have a matte finish, you can have a satin finish, you can get color shift vinyl or even chrome vinyl. The options are endless. Our prices here at Chicago Auto Pros start at $3,500 for a full vinyl color change, which will be on the high end of the spectrum if you're getting other quotes from other vinyl wrappers. But if you've seen any of our other videos, that you know that quality comes first with us. We take the time to do things right, like taking apart the car so you don't have any seams or gaps where you can see the paint. We actually have two different Tesla Model 3s in the shop getting service done today. The first one already got the front end wrapped in paint protection film. That one's gonna go over to the detailers. They're gonna prep that one for coating. The second red Tesla Model 3 is gonna go to the film guys. They're wrapping the entire vehicle in paint protection film.
So we got this Model 3. We just finished the 2 doors in XPEL paint protection. We flipped the car around. Now we're gonna do the other side. We're gonna do both the doors, knock that out, 30 minutes. Then we're gonna get started on the hood, front bumper, fenders, mirrors, everything else.
The Tesla Model 3 rear hatch is one solid piece, and there's some guys out there that will actually do this section in 2 different pieces of paint protection film. They'll put a seam right here. But like I said earlier, it's quality over everything here, and we're gonna do this entire thing in one solid paint protection film piece. All right, things are going well in the shop. Lots of cars going on. Volkswagen's getting all corrected. That one's gonna go into the paint protection film room tomorrow, getting most of that car wrapped. Tadas is finishing up on the Hyundai Santa Fe. They took the badges off, gotta do some correction, and then we're putting a coating on that one. Mario's trucking away on the red Tesla Model 3. I think he's on the polishing process now, so he's been compounding for most of the afternoon. He's now polishing that car. We're gonna put Modesta BC04 on that car. Range Rover in for some maintenance. Porsche in for a wash, so trucking along. We're doing it. On the next episode,